Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Danielle from LeggoMyPreggo, and today we have another awesome cleaning motivation video for you, as well as a cook with me, and we're just basically getting a lot of those things done that I've been putting off, mainly because my vacuum is still under the weather. I still have to order a battery for that. And then later in the video, we're going to be making Korean ground beef with broccoli. And so I'm just finishing up the laundry from yesterday's video. I never got to finish putting the kids' clothes and everything away in the dresser and all that, so I ended up needing to do that. And I have Mr. Charlie as my helper when he woke up from his nap. So as you can imagine, with this many kiddos and people in the house, we have quite a few baskets of socks that need to be matched for 10 different people total, as well as underwear. So I always like to separate all those things into individual baskets. And my son Max was waiting to go somewhere with his dad and needed some socks because I hadn't done that. So that's what we did here. And I always have to separate everything into piles, and there are so many black socks in our household that I just can't keep track of them all. So sometimes they get mixed matched, but ultimately we always end up having a basket full of like 20 socks that aren't even matched. Like right here on the right hand side, the top half of that basket, all socks that aren't matched. It's absolutely crazy. They're probably under somebody's bed, to be very honest. And then this is all of the blankets and towels and just a few things that needed to be put away. That basket in the back there is all the baseball gear, so that just kind of hangs out there. So yeah, just more laundry to be done. And these are our puppies just chilling out by the front door, keeping watch. Freaky Girl and Mr. Joaquin. So after Mr. Charlie and I got dressed for the day, we came back out and started folding those blankets and towels, and then he decided he just wanted to sit on my lap and nurse while I finished doing that. So quite the little helper. So Mr. Charlie took a nap later in the day, right as soon as I decided to clean out the couches. They definitely needed to be addressed. It really kind of didn't work as well as I'd like, only because I didn't have my vacuum, but I got the majority of everything cleaned out, and there wasn't as much stuff there as honestly there could have been. So I have my trusty handy dandy broom here to help me, and it went pretty smoothly. So again, Charlie just took another little nap while we did this. So here we're making the Korean ground beef with broccoli, but I used ground turkey, about 2.5 pounds, and it's actually really simple, you guys. It's literally some chili flake, little salt and pepper, coconut aminos if you want. You can use those. For the most part, we just use soy sauce with some ginger and some garlic, and it's so simple. You just cook up the meat and you brown it until there's no pink, drain if there's any fat, and then you add the sauce and you cook for 5 minutes until it's completely coated, and then you serve it over steamed rice or quinoa, whichever one you guys like the most. And then we served just regular steamed broccoli on the side. You could cook the broccoli with it, but it is such a simple recipe. It's literally under 20 minutes. It just takes about as long as it does to cook the rice. Everything else was done before the rice was. It's really good. You guys should try it. I will put the recipe in the description. And then I just chopped up a little bit of cilantro to throw on top and some limes if anybody wanted that. And it is so flavorful. I accidentally lost the clip of the pan of us cutting and making the treats from the honey grams, but it's just like rice cereal treats, only we used honey grams with the marshmallows and the butter, and it was really fun. Alright guys, that's going to conclude today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys have any comments, we would love to hear from you, as well as maybe suggestions on what type of cleaning videos you guys like, or maybe instead of cleaning motivation, you want more food videos, cooking videos, or maybe a day in the life, something of that nature. So any suggestions are welcome, and we always love to make new friends. See you guys soon, and don't forget we put out videos Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays.